My current role in the organisation is Senior Architect within Business Operations. I'm currently acting as the Tribe Engineering Lead across the growth tribes as we start to create them. Skyscanner is consistently working on innovative challenges. I think there are great examples in how we look at building a travel knowledge graph that's very similar to how you might say is the search knowledge graph that Google has or the social graph that Facebook pushes. However, the travel knowledge graph is an amalgamation of all those concepts. It's inherently social. Travel is inherently social. It's inherently about knowledge. And we are trying to act as the bridge between all of those. And that is where the heart of the innovation is. We've then got the innovation of how we drive and get to what do we mean is best. What is the best price for a travel? Isn't always the cheapest. It might be the one that's most convenient time. It might be the one that acts on a curve. And then how do we present the best options to travelers rather than just here's a price ordered list? Things like that are innovative in how we're trying to deliver value to travelers. I guess a good example of some of the problems that we face will be operational style problems where something like that the user behavior on a tablet device has clear indications that there are issues with on that device. So we'll potentially run a critical incident where we're looking at what is the cause of that. Let's do some root cause analysis of that specific issue. In this case, we're seeing users transition from one page to a different page on their next click, their next activity within that application. And then it's to determine what change caused that, and then what was the impact of that change on user behavior. And so over time we drilled down into a root cause, and the root cause could be as simple as the CSS on a button changed. But in this case it was much more in depth. Some of the properties that were much further down in the stack meant that the JavaScript was failing on the tablet, and we had to build a problem right the way through the stack to resolve this critical issue. They're the types of problems that someone like me will get involved in solving quite regularly as we grow.